My name is Michael Catalano. I'm the Logistics and Operations Manager. I've been here 3.5 years. My general responsibilities are inbound and outbound shipments, both imported and domestic. Also deal with any customer-related issues that come through, transferring product to warehouses across the United States. On a typical day, coming in the morning, we're looking for any customer issues at first that we can handle. Then basically we are monitoring shipments that are going in and out of our facilities. Also looking for anything we can do to satisfy the customer. The biggest challenge that we have on a daily basis is having the right product in the right place for the customers coming in. We are doing everything we can to satisfy the customer. There is little bumps here and there along the way, but we do everything we can for customer satisfaction, get the product to the customer in good shape and as timely as possible. Now, once an order it comes in from either sales or online, it goes through the accounting office. The accounting office puts the order into the system. It is marked strategically for what warehouse it should go out of. Once that happens, it is given a status of whether we have inventory or not at that present time. Once we do have inventory, it goes into the logistics office. We contact the customer, see if they are ready for their lift. At that point in time, we set up the lift to go out. We send the tracking to the customer so they can get ready for their lift. Our Advantage line is built in Shanghai, China. Once it is built there, we are notified. We contact our forwarder. Our forwarder then picks it up from our plant, which is then loaded on a container. That container is then shipped to U.S. soil. It can go to a variety of ports across the United States and then delivered to any one of our warehouses. Okay, once it gets to those warehouses, we either distribute it to other warehouses and also ship it to our customer. Our Backyard Buddy brand is in the U.S., in Warren, Ohio. We then distribute it across the United States or directly to a customer. Other than that is transferred across the United States to one of our warehouses and then distributed from there. These warehouse locations are stocking inventory. That is where we keep a variety of product. Not all warehouses have every single product. Some of them have more than others. From those warehouses, we ship to terminals across the United States. We always try to find the closest terminal to our customer that is reasonable. The terminals are run by LTL carriers, less than load carriers. They get shipped in. Once we ship it from a warehouse to a terminal, the terminal or the carrier actually contacts the customer and lets them know it is ready for pickup. Most rewarding part of logistics for me throughout the years has been just watching the flow of material run smoothly through the system. The smoother we get it, the happier I get.